So the right height at this moment, as we're showing here in the video, from where we can lower or raise the teeth of the industrial straight stitch. Alright, what we're going to do is lift the head. We see the shaft and the first screw we come across. On this connecting rod, we loosen this screw and we can lower or raise the teeth. We are going to loosen the screw. We can't loosen it completely since the connecting rod might move. We see the teeth there all the way down, and we see how they sound and go down. I moved the whole connecting rod. Here we loosen the screw and we'll go with this part. Goes up and down because the screw is loose. So the right height at this moment, as we're showing here in the video, after getting the correct measurement, the teeth height, we tighten the screw again and the machine is ready.